going to review 72-hour challenge by Jonathan Montoya. I have joined his multiple products from low ticket $9 to high ticket program $1,500. And I'll be giving you an honest review. Was it worth it to join all the programs, or it was a complete waste of time and money? So that if you're also looking to join, it will help you to make right decision. And if you don't know who is Jonathan Montoya, let me just quickly tell you in 1 minute. So before starting his online business, Jonathan Montoya used to be an electrical engineer, but he was not happy with his 9 to 5 job. He was so tired of living on paycheck to paycheck. Then he decided to start his online business, and he started with affiliate marketing, and in just 9 months he quit his job and achieved financial and time freedom. Then he started helping other people also to leave their 9 to 5 job. Until now, he has coached over 55,000 plus students on their journey to achieve financial and time freedom. So now we're gonna talk about his 72-hour challenge. It's a $9 challenge that I have also joined. I will also show you the membership area of the 72-hour challenge. But let me first walk you through what is this challenge is all about, and what it's tell you when you are going to join. You will able to clone a 7-figure business and start promoting 15 plus product in just minutes using this never before seen unfair software. So I will tell you what is this unfair software is. I will also show you the software. So with this challenge, you will able to clone Jonathan Montoya complete 7-figure business, that you will able to even promote 15 plus product in just minutes. Like you will able to set up complete system. Now, what is this challenge says that this challenge allows you to create a complete online business that allowed me, like Jonathan Montoya, saying that you will get the complete system that helped him to quit 9 to 5 job. Now, so you can see the all these are the testimonials from the people who joined the 72-hour challenge. So I have been also personally know these people, so they are getting good result with the challenge. They are making good commissions. So once you join the challenge, this is the membership area of the 72-hour challenge. I will walk you through all these. I will walk you through the challenge. So there will be like mainly three videos: day 1, day 2, and day 3. So in the first, let's first talk about what you will learn on the day 1. So on the day 1, first, Jonathan will walk you through about his story. He will tell you about his struggle, how he went into affiliate marketing. The norm, right? Then he started teaching other also. Then you will get to know the basics of the affiliate marketing, like what is affiliate marketing, what are the steps you need to start affiliate marketing, what how you can start building your email list, because that is the most important thing to in this business. Then you will get to know about the lead magnet, that you need to build your email list also. So in the challenge you will learn these three steps. Step 1, you first need a high ticket affiliate product to promote. So in the step 1, like in the day 1, you will learn what kind of products you can promote and where you can find those products. Then on the day 2, that to the step 2, you will learn how to build an automated system that will build your email list. Then on the day 3, you will learn about step 3, how you can send traffic and customer and start making money. So you will learn the complete process, how to find your main core product, how to find your niche, then how where you can find those product. So this is all about day 1. And also there is some homework, there is some action step that you need to do on the for the day 1. Also there will be a Facebook group. If you have any questions, any queries you have, anything problem you are facing, you can post in the Facebook group. Definitely you will get the help. So you will able to book your call with the business advisor, that will go also help you to get through the challenge. Now on the day 2, you will learn how you are going to build your automated sales system using an unfair tool. Now you are must be wondering what this unfair tool is about. This is a Jonathan this is the Jonathan software that he has created, and this that is Funnel Freedom. I'll also tell you about the software. So first I'll tell you what you will learn on the day 2. So on the day 2, you will learn the complete system, like you will learn the what exactly the system Jonathan used to build his seven figure business, the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So this is the system, this is the affiliate stacking ecosystem that Jonathan have been using to make six figure, seven figure, promoting multiple product with his system. So you will able to copy his complete system using the software funnel freedom. I will also show you how. So he will walk you through complete step by step about the system, how you can use the system, how you can just install the system. Now, if you want to use the complete system, you need to sign up for the funnel freedom. That is Jonathan software. You will get the 14, you will get the 30-day free trial for the software, and after that you need to pay $97 per month. It will cost you $97 per month, but it will going to worth it. Once you sign up for the software, you will get you don't need to do anything, everything will be set up for you. You don't need to create funnel, you will able to copy and paste Jonathan funnels. You will able to promote multiple products. You don't need to know about setting up tag, you don't need to anything. You will get the email follow-ups, even you will get the free course as a lead magnet. You will able to get the free course, give away free course as a lead magnet to build your list. And free course is it's a very valuable lead magnet that you can give to your audience, and you don't need to spend time to creating that. You will get pre-built funnels, emails. You just need to send traffic to this system. You will able to promote multiple products with done for you emails, text leveraging, and you will also able to leverage Jonathan YouTube videos. So once you created your account, so everything is done for you here. You just need to change all the affiliate links here in the software. And this is the free course that you will able to give to your audience. Also, if you like the product, like if you also love the challenge, you can also start promoting the challenge. So these are the 15 products that you are not just going to make commission with the one product. If you decide to promote 72-hour challenge, these are all the 15 products that you will promoting automatically, and you will able to make commission if you are just if you are just following this system step by step. So let me just quickly walk you through again what exactly you will get in the system. So there will be lead magnet. You will able to get free course to your audience. There will be done for you funnel. You just need to copy and paste. You will able to promote 15 different products that you will make commission, and there will be done for you emails also. So there will be automatic sales machine. You just need to drive traffic to this system. Now this is all about day 2. Once you set up everything, when you done with setting up all your system, then your job is to send traffic, driving traffic to the 72-hour challenge. Now there will be a day 3. On the day 3, you will learn about the how you can start driving traffic to the 72-hour challenge. So day 3 will be locked. To what you need to do to get the access of the day 3, you need to book your call with the advisor. Once you book your call, day 3 will be available to you. And on that day 3, you will learn 3 secret methods. You will learn about the 7 to 8 short form videos. You will learn about the YouTube videos as a traffic, how you can use YouTube as a traffic source to generate leads, and another you will learn about the paid traffic source. So this is all about 72-hour challenge that you will learn in the day 1, day 2, day 3. And if you are thinking about the tech stuff, and all these videos are very easy to follow, you just need to uh, open the video, just follow the video, whatever Jonathan is doing in the video, and you just need to do the same. Easy to follow videos, just follow step by step instruction. One thing I would like to tell you that they have a sales team also, that they added just before few months before. So if you decided to you, so they will be going to do all the sales part for you. So your job is to driving traffic to the 72-hour challenge. So they will talk to your leads. They will book call with all of the leads you have sent to the 72-hour challenge. And if those leads, those people will going to upgrade to the different offers that I will tell you then you will going to make commission. So they have a different offers, different funnels. So from $9 to $97 to $2,000. So even those leads going to upgrade to any one of these offers, you will going to make commission from those sales. So your job is to send the quality traffic as much as you can to the 72-hour challenge, and rest of the things will be done for you. Like every you all the leads you will send to the 72-hour challenge, they will book call with your leads, and if those people decide to upgrade to any of the $2,000 offer, then you will going to make 40% commission. So I just showed you what you will learn. I showed you the inside membership of the 72-hour challenge, what you will learn on the day 1, day 2, and day 3. Now only thing what I felt is like on the day 3, when there are people who just starting, and they tell you the 3 traffic sources, but that is not much deeper. Like there's a good, like everything in the $9 you will get so much, you are getting so much value, you are getting everything like done for you system, complete system. On the it's just like uh, to on the day 3, the traffic strategy are very basic, so you need to work on that. So you are getting all the system, now you need to work on the traffic strategies, because your job is to generate as much as traffic you can to the 72-hour challenge. But for the $9, it's good, you are getting so much value as compared to the value of the challenge. So to make money with the 72-hour challenge, you should work strategically and dedicated on two things. So first is you need to focus on creating valuable content, and second is you need to build relationship with your audience in your email list so that you can make money. So this is the one thing I want to help you with. So if you want to join the challenge, if you decide to join the challenge, I have a special bonuses for you. So there are three bonuses that you will get from my side. If you join with the link, I will put the link of the challenge in the description box. If you want to join, you will get three special bonuses. First, I will hop on a one-on-one call with you to set up the complete system so that you don't need to worry about that. Second bonus you will get, you will become a part of my paid community, that is $49 per month, but you will get absolutely free if you join the challenge. You don't need to pay anything extra for that. So we also have weekly live session in the community where I will teach you the traffic strategies, and if you have any question, you can come to the session and ask your questions. Another bonus that you will going to get is I haven't built an audience of 15K followers in less than 30 days without spending any money on ads. You will get full training on how you can get your first 1,000 followers on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, so that you can start generating more quality leads and traffic sent to the 72-hour challenge. If you want to see how I made my first $1,000 by selling other people's product, then click here and watch this video.